How to create script-to-text video in Capcut Mobile for free.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Step 1. Open ChatGPT and type in whatever prompt you would like it to say or create a story. Once you're satisfied with the ChatGPT script, hold down on the screen and click Copy. The next step is to open up Capcut and then to click Script to Video, and then click Write your own script. And then here you can hold down on the screen and click Paste. In this case, I have a decent long story. It's in first person, and once you're satisfied, you can click Apply, and then click the first option, Smart Generation, and wait for this to load. This may take some time depending on your internet speed or your connection with your device. And this is what we have so far.
Between classes, I found myself strolling through the park on campus, needing a break from the hustle of college life.
If you want to edit this video more, you can click Edit More. You can change the video quality by clicking 1080p instead of 480p or even 4K. You can even change the frames per second and then the modes, the NBS. And if you're satisfied with the video, you can click Download in the top right hand screen. And this is the before. And this is the after.
Between classes, I found myself strolling through the park on campus, needing a break from the hustle of college life. The air was crisp, and the leaves rustled gently in the breeze.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.